Good day everyone. Today I will be presenting my sample workshop layout for artificial insemination of large ruminants in situ. So this layout is designed to show the different areas needed for training, learning, and hands-on practice in artificial insemination. So in this workshop layout, this layout will focus on the 4 core competencies. The first competency is establish readiness for artificial insemination, prepare for artificial insemination operation, perform artificial insemination, and lastly, perform artificial insemination documentation and reports. So these competencies are the backbone of the training, and the layout is arranged to support each of them step by step. So there are main areas of this workshop layout that I arranged properly. First, the entrance and the orientation areas. When students enter, they first see the lecture room, the computer or distance learning area, and the training resource area. These are where theoretical knowledge and discussion takes place before actual practice. And the second one, or the main areas of my workshop, is the practical work areas. At the center, we have working choral for establishing readiness and preparation of artificial operation. And beside that is the animal house, where students actually perform artificial insemination on large ruminants such as cows, pigs, and sheep. Safety is a priority here. That's why there are waste segregation bins and a first aid kit nearby. Also, one of the main areas is support service and safety areas. On the right side, we have the support service area, bathrooms, locker rooms, and tools and equipments, storage room that ensure trainees are well prepared, safe, and properly equipped during training. And lastly, the main areas of this layout is documentation and assessment area. We have the contextual learning laboratory and the quality control area, where trainees perform AI documentation, reports, and assessment of their work. This completes the training process by recording results and ensuring accuracy of the training. So, ano nga po ba yung importance ng layout na to? So, this layout reflects the principles of competency-based training. It combines both theory and practice, provides proper resources, ensures safety, and develop real skills needed in their field. With this setup, trainees can learn effectively, apply their skills, and prepare for actual artificial insemination operation in real-life situation or in a real industry. So, in conclusion, this workshop layout is designed to provide a complete and safe learning environment for all those trainees in artificial insemination in situ. It connects the classroom, the practical work, and the documentation process into one organized system. So that would be all po. Thank you for listening.